In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Shopify store by setting up collections, adding tags, and configuring the navigation bar both quickly and easily. When you're managing an online store, organization is key to improving your customers' shopping experience. Let's dive right in and make your Shopify storefront shine with some simple but effective steps. First, you'll want to go to your Shopify admin page to begin. This is your central hub where all store management magic happens. Once you're logged in, the second step is to click on the Products section, which you can find on the left sidebar of your admin page. This is where you can view and manage all the products you offer. After you've clicked on Products, the next step is to click on Collections. Collections are essentially groups of products that are organized together, like categories on your site. This can be particularly helpful for visitors who know what they're looking for and want to find it quickly. Once you're in the Collections section, click on Add Collection. Here is where you will create your new product groupings. You'll see a range of options to customize your collection. Let's start by giving your collection a title. This is simply the name that visitors will see when browsing your store, so make sure it's clear and descriptive. For example, if you're grouping summer wearables, you might name it Summer Collection. Under Description, you can provide more detail about what's included in the collection or any specific information customers might need to know. This enhances the search engine optimization of your site and gives customers a better understanding of what to expect. When adding your new collection, don't forget about the publishing details. Here, you'll set the visibility settings for your collection. Decide whether you want it immediately available for customers to see or set it to publish on a future date. Publishing settings offer a way to plan in advance, especially when launching promotional events. Next, you'll be clicking on Inventory to manage the stock levels of your products. This is crucial to ensure you are adequately stocked and to avoid overselling, which can lead to customer dissatisfaction. After checking your inventory, choose Example Shirt in this case, or whichever product you'd like to manage. Finally, let's talk about tags. Tags are incredibly useful for linking similar products and enhancing the searchability within your store. By clicking on tags for a specific product, you can add relevant keywords that help customers discover products when they use the search bar on your site. Tagging properly also enables you to automate product categorization in your smart collections. And there you have it, a concise yet thorough way to structure your Shopify store for optimal customer experience. By setting up collections, adding clear descriptions, managing inventory, and applying strategic tags, your online storefront will be better organized, more visually appealing, and easier to navigate. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!